The principle provides that the law of economic duress comes into play when the apparent consent of the plaintiff was induced by pressure exercised by the defendant. As a result, such consent is irrevocable. Facts in the present question are: Ryan's father agrees to act as a guarantor when he needs to borrow a loan from the bank for starting a business undertaking. On account of his incompetence, among others, the undertaking soon runs into doldrums and Ryan incurs heavy losses within a very short span of time. He fails to repay any substantial fraction of the loan, prompting the bank to acquire his father to pay up the amount due from his son. However, the father refuses to pay his son's debts and in his defense states that he signed the guarantee under the economic duress since he would have to depend on his son for finances in the future. Is this a valid defense? Now, in this question, out of the four options, the correct option is D. That is, no, it is not a valid defense, since there is nothing to suggest that the father was under economic duress while agreeing to be the guarantor for the loan borrowed by his son. Now, the reason why D is the correct answer is the reason why D is the correct answer is, if we read the principle correctly, it provides that the law of economic duress comes into play when the apparent consent of the plaintiff was induced by pressure exercised by the defendant. As a result, such consent is revocable. Right? So basically, the law of economic duress comes into play under specific technical circumstances, none of which are present in the given factual situation over here, right? So the defense does not therefore stand up, making D the correct answer.